Did you know that smoking just one cigarette can reduce your life expectancy by 11 minutes? A frightening fact, isn't it? We're diving into the murky world of smoking today, exploring its harmful effects on our bodies. Imagine the damage a single puff causes. Now multiply that by the number of cigarettes in a pack, then a carton. It's a chilling thought. But what if you quit? Stick around till the end to find out the surprising benefits of kicking the habit. Imagine two individuals, one is a smoker, the other a non-smoker. How different are their health profiles really? Well, let's start with the respiratory system. For the non-smoker, their lungs are like clear skies on a sunny day, functioning smoothly and efficiently. The smoker, however, is like a city shrouded in smog. Their lungs are constantly battling against the harmful chemicals in cigarettes, leading to chronic bronchitis and an increased risk of lung cancer. Now let's consider the cardiovascular system. The non-smoker's heart beats steadily, supplying oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. But for the smoker, every puff of a cigarette is like a small grenade going off in their cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Moving on to the nervous system, the non-smoker enjoys a calm and steady state. On the other hand, the smoker is on a roller coaster ride, with nicotine causing mood swings and anxiety and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios. The World Health Organization reports that smoking kills more than 8 million people each year, with 7 million of those deaths resulting from direct tobacco use. The difference is clear, but what happens when the smoker decides to quit? You won't believe the transformation. Quitting smoking isn't easy, but the rewards are worth the struggle. Imagine a breath of fresh air, not tainted by the harsh sting of smoke. That's the first gift you give to yourself when you quit smoking. Within 20 minutes of snuffing out that last cigarette, your heart rate drops back to normal. And in just 12 hours, your body cleanses itself of the excess carbon monoxide from the cigarettes. You're already on your way to a healthier you. In the weeks following your decision to quit, your lung function begins to improve. You'll start to notice it in little ways. Maybe you can take the stairs without losing your breath, or play a game with your kids without needing a break. These are the victories to celebrate, the signs that your body is healing. Beyond the immediate benefits, quitting smoking is a long-term investment in your health. After a year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half, and the benefits don't stop there. Over time, you'll also reduce your risk of stroke, lung cancer, and other respiratory diseases. But it's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. It's the renewed energy, the improved sense of taste and smell, the freedom from the constant need for a smoke. Quitting smoking may be the best decision you'll ever make for your health, but wait, there's more to it. It's time to take control of your life and health. Think of someone you know who smokes. Share this video with them. Remind them of the incredible transformation their body can experience once they quit. Let them know they're not alone in this journey. The benefits of quitting are immense, and every step taken towards a smoke-free life is a leap towards a healthier future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Remember, every cigarette not smoked is a victory. Make the choice today for a healthier tomorrow. Let's dive deeper into the benefits of quitting smoking. We've talked about the physical transformation, but what about the psychological changes? Research shows that quitting smoking can significantly improve your mood, reduce anxiety, and contribute to better mental health. Imagine feeling lighter, happier, and more focused than you've felt in years. Doesn't that sound worth it? But it doesn't stop there. When you quit smoking, you're also improving your social relationships. You'll no longer have to step out of gatherings to get your nicotine fix. You'll be setting a positive example for your children and younger generations, showing them the strength and resilience it takes to overcome addiction. Quitting smoking isn't just about improving your physical health, it's about enhancing your overall quality of life. So make the choice today, for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling tomorrow.